How to log into HSBC credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into HSBC credit card account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open any browser on your device that might be Chrome, Safari or any of those. Now, click on the search bar at top of the screen and you have to type in the URL hsbc.co.in. Once you have typed in it, you have to press enter on your keyboard. After waiting for a while, you will land on the official interface of HSBC credit card account, where you will see the login button at top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button and then here you need to manage your money more easily with HSBC India app. If you would like to do that, you need to go through this process. Or else you can continue to log on with browser. So click on log on to browser. After waiting for a while, you will land on this interface where you have to enter your username. Once you have done that, once you already enter your username, you can easily check mark on this small box which says remember me, so that another time when you try to log into your account, you don't need to enter any of those username manually. After that, click on the continue button, then you'll be taken to the other pages where you have to enter your password and then you can click the login button and then easily log into your HSBC credit card account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.